Hi everyone, in this video I want to just show you a quick tutorial on how to register for courses. Don't worry if you've had trouble with it, lots of people struggle, so in this video I'm going to help you make it easy. So go to your student portal page. If you don't know how to do that, the easiest way to get there is to go to tw.ca/help. You can scroll down and click Student Portal. So it will ask you to log in with your Trinity username and password, and then it'll show up looking like this. So you can click on this upper link here that says registration, scroll down, click add drop courses. So with this, you want to make sure that the right year and term is correct. So if you're wanting to have courses for spring 2024, make sure it says spring 2024. And I find the easiest thing to do is just leave all of this stuff the same and then click seminary for the division, because at ACTS we are the Seminary of Trinity Western University, and then click search. This will show you all the available courses that you can pick from so you don't miss anything. So you can see all of these have a little checkbox beside them. So if I wanted to pick New Testament Foundations, Bib 540, then I would just click on this little box and scroll down and click Add Courses. So one of the things to be aware of is that there's these different letters. So M is for Mandarin, so it's taught in Mandarin. Q and K are both taught in Korean, and A is English courses. So 1 week intensives that are in English would be this. The weekly on-campus lectures that you can zoom into would be this. But then there's also, you can see OL. OL means online. That's the 8-week condensed ACTS World Campus courses. So I can just go ahead with New Testament Foundations, and let's say I want to do Exposition of Psalms online. So click on those boxes and then click Add Courses. And there you go. So you can see them right here. It's just as easy to drop them as it was to add them. You click on these little boxes and then click Drop Courses. So you have until a few weeks into the semester to drop courses technically. After that, you'll need to contact me and fill out a form to be able to withdraw, and you might not be able to get a full refund back, but up until that add drop deadline, you'll see those little boxes beside the courses and you will be allowed to drop them. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please let me know if there's any other way I can help.